Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, let us continue with the transformation of sentences. As of now, in this chapter of English grammar, we have discussed that a sentence can be transformed by various ways. There are certain rules regarding transformation of sentences. In the first rule, we have seen by removing to, we can transform a sentence by replacing to with conjunction, so that later we have seen that by changing degree also a sentence can be transformed. Later we also came across a sentence can be transformed by interchanging from active voice to passive voice and passive to active. Later we learned a sentence can be transformed by interchanging affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. Okay, so let us continue. We are going to learn some more rules regarding it. Next rule is interchange of interrogative and assertive sentences. Next is interchange of interrogative and assertive sentences. Okay. Interchange of interrogative and assertive sentences. Let us go through the examples. What though we happen if to be late? Example number 1. What though we happen to be late? We happen to be late. Now convert it. It is interrogative. Now convert it into assertive by changing its meaning. So we can write it is interrogative. Now in assertive we can write it does not matter. It does not matter. It does not matter though we happen to be late. Okay. So dear students, we have seen there are various ways by which a sentence can be transformed, and this is one of them. So by interchanging interrogative and assertive sentences, we can also transform a sentence. Either you can take screenshot or you can pause the video and write down. Let me write more sentences. Let me write next example. What waste time in reading trash? What waste time in reading trash? What waste time in trash. Okay, so it is interrogative. Let's change it into assertive. It is extremely it is extremely foolish. It is extremely foolish to waste time in reading trash. Okay. So please take the screenshot. So I hope you have taken. I'm going to write more examples. Example number 3rd. Were we sent to the world simply to make money? Were we sent to the world? Interrogative. Were we sent to the world simply to make money? Okay, now transform it. Sorry, question mark. Now transform it into assertive. We were not simply sent to the world to make money. Okay. Done. Let us write more examples to understand it better. Next example is, how can man die better than facing fearful odds? How can man die? Fourth one, interrogative. How can man die? How can man die better than facing fearful odds? Better than facing fearful odds. So how we can write in assertive? Man cannot die better than facing fearful odds. Okay, so man cannot die better than facing fearful odds. So here students, we can see that how we can transform a sentence from interchange the sentence from interrogative to assertive without from assertive to interrogative without changing its meaning. Okay, so let us go through some more examples to understand it better. So please write it down or take the screenshot. When can their glory fade? Fifth one, interrogative. When can their glory fade? Sorry. So, in assertive, their glory can never fade. Okay, let me write one more example for the same. Was he a next sixth one? Was he a villain? Was he a villain to do such a deed? Was he a villain to do such a deed? An assertive, he was, can you see it? Yes, he was a villain to do such a deed. Okay, so please either you can take screenshot or you can pause the video and write down. Next rule, interchanging of exclamatory and assertive sentence. Next rule, interchanging of exclamatory and assertive sentence. Okay, interchanging of exclamatory and assertive sentence. So this way also you can transform a sentence. Let us go through the example. Example number 1. How sweet the moonlight. How sweet the moonlight sleeps upon this bank. Sleeps upon this bank. Okay, exclamation mark. Now it is exclamatory Now change it into assertive. The moonlight sweetly sleeps upon this bank. Sweetly sleeps upon this bank. Okay. Let me write more example. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Next, if only I were young again. Second one, if only I were young again. Exclamation mark. Assertive. I wish I were young again. I wish I were young again. Next example. Alas, that youth should pass away. Second one, exclamatory. Alas, that youth should pass away. Okay, exclamation mark after at the end of the sentence. Now in assertive, alas shows sadness, so we can start this sentence this way. It is sad to think that youth should pass away. Okay? It is sad to think that youth should pass away. Okay? So please take the screenshot or pause the video and write down. So I am going to rub it and write more examples. Next, how beautiful is night. Next one, fourth one. How beautiful is night. How beautiful is night. Now, in assertive, the night is very beautiful. Okay, the night is very beautiful. So here students, we can see that a sentence can be transformed by various ways. Okay. I hope you have taken the screenshot or written. I'm going to rub it. Then I will discuss more rules regarding transformation of sentences. Now let us discuss next rule, which is interchange of one part of speech for another. Interchange of one part of speech for another. Interchange of one part of speech for another. Now let us go through the example. That kind of joke does not amuse me. That kind of joke does not amuse me. So dear student, let's change this amuse. Okay, so as it is verb here, amuse is verb here, let us change it into noun. Okay, how? That kind of joke does not give me any amusement. Okay, so thus dear students, by changing the parts of speech, we can also transform a sentence. As in this sentence you have seen that amuse is verb here, it has been changed into a noun, amusement. Okay, let me write more example. So please take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write down. Next sentence is, it costs 12 rupees. It costs 12 rupees. Okay, how we can change? It is verb here. The cost of, or we can also change it. Let us change this way first. The cost of it. The cost of it is, or only simply the cost is 12 rupees. Yes, the cost is 12 rupees. So here students, we have seen the cost is verb here and here cost is noun. So how a sentence can be transformed? By interchanging the parts of speech. Next one. He has disgraced his family. He has disgraced his family. He has a disgrace. He has a disgrace to his family. So here disgraced, sorry, it is disgraced. So here dear students, it's a verb, and here you can see a disgrace, it's a noun. So in these examples we have seen how a verb can be changed into noun. Let us go through more examples of such. I hope you have taken the screenshot. He fought bravely. He fought bravely. He fought bravely. So how we can change? He put up a brave fight. He put up a brave fight. So here this is an adverb and it has been changed to adjective. Okay. So dear students, such we can transform a sentence by interchanging part of speech to another. Let me go through more examples. It cannot consent to your going. I cannot, sorry. Next is I cannot consent to your going. How we can change? Consent is verb here. I cannot give my consent. I cannot give my consent to your going. To your going. So dear students, we have seen how this verb consent has been changed into a noun. Okay. So thus students, we have gone through 5 examples in which we have seen how a part of speech can be interchanged into another and while transforming a sentence. So let me write more examples. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Next one is I gave a curt reply. Curt reply. He gave a curt reply. Okay. How we can change it? He replied curtly. He replied curtly. So here you can see, dear students, curt is adjective. It has been changed into adverb. Okay. Let me write more examples. he showed generosity. He showed generosity. Sorry, it should be S here. He showed generosity even to his enemies. Even to his enemies. So he showed generosity even to his enemies. What is generosity? It is noun, abstract noun. It is converted. So he is generous. He is generous even to his enemies. Can you see it? Yes. His enemies. Okay. So dear students, we have seen how we can convert, we can transform a sentence by interchanging parts of speech. So dear student, there are, please take a screenshot. There are certain rules regarding it, and we have discussed a few rules, and there are more rules to be discussed. So in my next class, I will continue discussing these rules. So thank you students for watching the video. See you tomorrow.